In the given right prism, we need to find the size of the angle between the line FD and the plane DCBA. This is equivalent to finding the angle between FD and BD in the right triangle BDF. To do this, we need to determine the lengths of any two sides in triangle BDF. First, we calculate the length of FD using the rectangle ADEF. The diagonal FD can be found as the square root of the sum of FE squared and ED squared. The length of FE is 20, and the length of ED is 15. Solving this, we find that FD is 25 centimeters. Next, FB is the same as EC, which can be calculated using the right triangle CDE. EC is opposite angle CDE, which measures 40 degrees. Therefore, EC is equal to 15 times sine of 40 degrees, giving a value of 9.64 centimeters. Thus, FB is also 9.64 centimeters. In the right triangle BDF, the angle BDF can be calculated using the inverse sine of 9.64 divided by 25. Solving this, we find that the angle between the line FD and the plane DCBA is approximately 22.7 degrees, rounded to 1 decimal place.